In today's fast-paced digital world, clutter isn't just physical, it's digital too. We're inundated with information, from emails and apps to social media accounts and files. Did you know the average person manages over 100 digital accounts? Every day, we're tasked with organizing a staggering amount of digital data, which clogs our devices and minds, leading to stress and inefficiency. Consider this: the digital data created in the last 2 years surpasses all previous years combined. This data explosion highlights the urgent need for a new approach, a way to streamline our digital lives. Enter digital minimalism. Just as we declutter our physical spaces for calm and focus, digital minimalism encourages us to curate our digital environments. By intentionally choosing what digital elements we allow into our lives, we can reclaim our time and enhance productivity. Join us as we explore practical strategies to tame this digital chaos. In the next segment, we'll dive deeper into the principles of digital minimalism and how you can start your journey towards a more organized online presence. Imagine stepping into a home where every item serves a purpose and each space is thoughtfully curated. Now, apply that principle to your digital world. Welcome to digital minimalism, where intentionality reigns supreme. In this segment, we'll explore what digital minimalism truly means, a conscious effort to curate your digital environment. This approach streamlines your online presence and boosts productivity and mental clarity. Reducing digital clutter creates room for what truly matters, allowing you to focus without unnecessary distractions. Think of it as a mental cleanse for your online life, where every app, file, and notification serves a purpose. The benefits are profound: increased focus, reduced stress, and a heightened sense of control over your digital interactions. As we embark on this journey towards a simpler, more efficient digital existence, remember, it's not just about less, it's about more of what truly enriches your life. Stay with us as we delve deeper into identifying and conquering digital clutter in the next segment, empowering you to transform chaos into clarity. In our digital age, clutter isn't confined to our physical spaces. It lurks within our digital lives, often unnoticed. Emails, apps, social media accounts, and countless files contribute to our digital chaos. Recognizing this clutter is the first step toward reclaiming control. Reflect on your own digital environment. Do you have hundreds of unread emails, apps you haven't opened in months, files scattered across your desktop without organization? These are signs that digital clutter is overwhelming your productivity and peace of mind. By identifying these areas, you're preparing to embark on a transformative journey towards digital minimalism. This isn't just about decluttering. It's about creating a streamlined, efficient digital life that empowers you to focus on what truly matters. As we proceed, we'll explore practical techniques to declutter, optimize, and secure your digital presence. Let's dive in and start identifying those hidden pockets of clutter. Together, we'll pave the way for a more organized and productive digital existence. Ready to tackle the chaos? In the next segment, we'll guide you through actionable steps to begin your digital decluttering adventure. In our journey towards digital minimalism, it's time to take action. Start with your inbox. Unsubscribe from newsletters and promotions that no longer serve your interests. Next, turn to your devices. Identify and delete apps you haven't used in months. They're only adding to the chaos. Organize your files into folders that make sense to you, whether by date, category, or project. This simple act can save you precious minutes when locating a document. Don't forget your digital workspace. Streamline your desktop by removing unnecessary icons and categorizing your tools. Manage your browser. Organize bookmarks and close tabs cluttering your online experience. These steps may seem small, but they are powerful building blocks toward a more organized digital life. This is just the beginning of your decluttering journey, setting the stage for enhanced productivity and focus. In the next segment, we'll delve into cutting-edge productivity hacks tailored for 2025. Stay with us as we continue to transform your digital landscape into a realm of clarity and purpose. In our digital age, staying productive is more than just checking off tasks. It's about streamlining your entire digital workflow. As we navigate through 2025, productivity hacks have evolved to embrace powerful digital tools. Imagine an organized digital life where every task is prioritized and distractions minimized. That's the magic of productivity apps. Task managers help you organize and track your to-do lists effortlessly, while focus tools block out distractions, ensuring your attention is on what truly matters. These hacks aren't just about doing more, but doing what's essential more efficiently. Harnessing these tools empowers you to maximize output without the overwhelm. By integrating these digital solutions, you're improving efficiency and reclaiming time for what's important in life. The journey towards a streamlined digital life is within reach, paving the way for less stress and more success. As we move forward, let's explore how enhancing data privacy can further bolster your digital experience. Remember, it's not just about working harder but smarter. Embrace these hacks and watch your productivity soar. Ready to secure your digital presence? Let's dive into understanding data privacy next. In today's interconnected world, data privacy is a cornerstone of digital security. It's not just about protecting your information. It's about maintaining control over your digital identity. The importance of data privacy cannot be overstated, especially as we navigate a landscape filled with potential threats. To enhance your privacy, start by using secure, unique passwords for each account. This simple step creates a strong first line of defense against unauthorized access. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your sensitive data. Regularly reviewing and updating your privacy settings on various platforms is crucial in keeping your information safe. Familiarize yourself with the basic privacy tools available and make it a habit to use them effectively. By taking these steps, you're not just protecting your data, you're empowering yourself to have a secure digital presence. As we continue our journey, we'll explore further measures to safeguard your online life. Join us next as we delve into advanced security measures to fortify your online safety, ensuring peace of mind in an ever-evolving digital world. In today's interconnected world, safeguarding your digital presence is more crucial than ever. Cyber threats lurk at every corner, from sophisticated phishing scams to hidden vulnerabilities in outdated software. Recognizing these dangers is the first step in fortifying your online security. Start by being vigilant about the emails and messages you receive. Phishing attempts often masquerade as trusted sources but can compromise your data with a single click. To enhance your digital safety, ensure your software is always updated. Regular updates patch security holes, providing a stronger defense against potential attacks. Additionally, consider using advanced security tools that offer real-time protection and alerts against suspicious activities. Remember, simple measures like using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication can significantly boost your security posture. These steps not only protect your personal information, but also preserve the integrity of your digital identity. As we navigate further into the digital age, staying informed and proactive is key to maintaining a secure online presence. In the next segment, we'll explore how to maintain a clutter-free digital life, ensuring that minimalism becomes a sustained practice. Stay tuned as we continue our journey towards a more organized and secure digital existence. In the digital age, maintaining a clutter-free online presence is crucial for mental clarity and productivity. As we continue our journey into digital minimalism, let's focus on keeping our digital spaces tidy and efficient. One effective strategy is to set a monthly reminder to clean your digital environment. This ensures that minimalism is not just a one-time effort, but a consistent practice. Begin by routinely clearing out unnecessary files, old emails, and unused apps. Consider it a digital cleanse that refreshes your virtual world. Regularly review and organize your digital assets so they align with your current needs and priorities. This simple act can prevent clutter from creeping back in. Adopting these practices not only maintains a decluttered digital life, but also enhances your productivity and peace of mind. Remember, digital minimalism is about making intentional choices to foster an online space that serves you better. As we transition to the next segment, think about how these habits can seamlessly integrate into your routine, ensuring that your digital life remains streamlined and purposeful. Up next, we'll explore the tangible benefits of living with a decluttered digital space. Imagine a world where your digital life is as organized as your physical space. That's the promise of digital minimalism. By decluttering your digital environment, you unlock a myriad of benefits. Picture improved focus, no longer distracted by endless notifications or cluttered inboxes. Feel the weight lift as stress diminishes, knowing exactly where everything is and what needs your attention. Productivity? It's not just a buzzword. With a streamlined digital setup, you accomplish more in less time, freeing up energy for what truly matters. Hear from individuals who've embraced this shift. Jane, a freelance designer, shares how digital minimalism boosted her creativity and efficiency, allowing her more time for passion projects. Tom, a tech consultant, finds peace in knowing his data is secure and his online presence is curated to reflect his true self. A decluttered digital life isn't just about less, it's about more. More clarity, more control, more freedom. As we conclude this segment, envision the possibilities of your own digital transformation. Prepare to take the next step towards maintaining this newfound order as we transition into actionable steps in our concluding segment. As we've journeyed through the intricacies of decluttering your digital life, the time has come for you to take the reins. We've explored the pitfalls of digital clutter and armed you with strategies to combat it. From embracing digital minimalism to leveraging productivity hacks and securing your data, this is your moment to transform insights into action. Imagine a digital space where everything is streamlined, efficient, and secure, a space that not only enhances productivity but also brings peace of mind. It's a challenge worth taking, and the benefits are clear: improved focus, reduced stress, and a newfound freedom in your digital world. So why wait? Begin your digital decluttering journey today and take control of your online presence. With the tools and knowledge at your disposal, you're ready to embark on this path towards a more organized and fulfilling digital life. Remember, digital minimalism is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that empowers you to reclaim your time and energy. Start now and step confidently into a future where your digital life serves you, not the other way around.